Welcome to this tutorial. Today, we're going to talk about pronominal adjectives. Let's get started. Remember that an adjective is a word or set of words that modifies, in other words, describes a noun or pronoun. Also note that adjectives may come before or after the word they modify. Have a look at the example over here. This is a cute cat. This cat is cute. Note that the word cute is an adjective and it's used to describe or modify the noun cat. Now, in the first sentence, the adjective comes before the noun cat, and in the second sentence, it comes after the noun cat. Now, limiting adjectives help to define or limit a noun or pronoun by telling which one, what kind, or how many. Have a look at the example over here. This sandwich is delicious. Now, this is a limiting adjective, and it defines the noun sandwich. It tells us which sandwich is delicious. Now, in this category, there are pronominal adjectives. Now, these adjectives are pronouns which are used to modify nouns. Have a look at the examples below. This book is interesting. Now, this is a pronominal adjective. It modifies the noun book. And in this sentence, this is an interesting book. This is a pronoun. It represents the noun book. Now, pronominal adjectives can be subdivided into the following groups. A. Demonstrative adjectives. This, that, these, and those. Have a look at the examples below. Those shoes were old-fashioned. These shoes are much better. B. Possessive adjectives. My, your, his, her, its, our, or their. For example, their cat likes to sleep on the floor. C. Distributive adjectives such as each, every, either, or neither. Have a look at the example over here. Every attempt was met with suspicion. D. Interrogative adjectives such as which, what, whose. For example, whose pants are these? E. Indefinite adjectives such as some, any, all, few, several, many, both, little, much, more, and most. Have a look at the example over here. Both parents were present. Indefinite adjective. Now let's review and practice a bit. Remember that this, that, these, and those are demonstrative adjectives. Now read the following sentences and underline these adjectives. This top doesn't go with these pants. Maybe you should try that blue top you bought a week ago. This, these, and that. Also remember that my, your, his, her, its, our, and their are possessive adjectives. Now read the following sentences and fill in the blanks using the appropriate possessive adjective. He. Mom washed, we, dog, while we went on a vacation. His mom watched our dog while we went on a vacation. Also remember that each, every, either, and neither are distributive adjectives. Now read the following sentences and fill in the blanks using the appropriate distributive adjective. Single day was a good day. The road was straight with fields on side. Every day was a good day. The road was straight with fields on either side. And remember that which, what, and whose are interrogative adjectives. Now read the following sentence and fill in the blank using the appropriate interrogative adjective. Type of music do you like? What type of music do you like? Note that we use indefinite adjectives such as some, any, all, few, several, many, both, little, much, more, and most. Now read the following sentence and underline these adjectives. Many people enjoy running in the morning. Many. Here's a short story using pronominal adjectives. Listen as I read so you can see how they are used in real-life conversation. After I'm done, make sure you understand all the grammar and read aloud yourself so that you can work on your own fluency and pronunciation. Whose book is this? This is my book. I've been reading it for several days. The title of this book looks really catchy. Yeah, I won't deny that. And I have this New Year's resolution to read more books, so I thought I'd give this book a try. What books do you usually read though? I like to read some fantasy or sci-fi novels, and the plot has to be interesting. Yeah, I agree with your opinion. And now, time for you to practice on your own. Read the following sentences and underline the pronominal adjectives and decide whether they are demonstrative, possessive, distributive, interrogative, or indefinite adjectives. A. Thank you. These flowers are beautiful. B. Every child has the right to life. C. Which color should I pick? Red or blue? D. I'm afraid he will need several days to recover. E. It is said that neither side of the brain is dominant over the other. F. I don't find that TV shows amusing. G. I like her new haircut. Looks stylish. H. I could tell that the dog was happy to see me by its wiggling tail. I. Those seconds of pure happiness were difficult to forget. J. Do you know whose jacket this is? And now, let's check your answers. Thank you. These flowers are beautiful. Demonstrative. Every child has the right to life. Distributive. Which color should I pick? Red or blue? Interrogative. I'm afraid he will need several days to recover. Indefinite. It is said that neither side of the brain is dominant over the other. Distributive. I don't find that TV show amusing. Demonstrative. I like her new haircut. It looks stylish. Possessive. I could tell that the dog was happy to see me by its wiggling tail. Possessive. Those seconds of pure happiness were difficult to forget. Demonstrative. Do you know whose jacket this is? Interrogative. Thank you for watching this tutorial.